bread, half piece it only. Okay, green pepper. Okay, the real red onion. Okay, and you have sugar bean, and you have Shanghai noodle, beef brown, and you have the sauce the warehouse make up for you. Okay, this sauce ingredient have garlic, lemongrass, chili paste, and ketchup. So the warehouse will mix it up. So first one, you make sure the chicken really fresh, and you slice a little bit thick. Okay. And first one, you boil it. You boil the Shanghai noodle that inside. Lớp kéo ạ. Okay, you make sure your red pepper is hot. Not hot, and you can grill it. Okay? You grill a little bit. 烤一下，来一下，烤一下，来一下，烤放一下，打开个味就可以了。来。Put onion, sugar bean. They almost like the Shanghai noodle, but different sauce only. Thì không treo tả lên mà. Little Toban sauce. Okay, your red pepper in. Now make sure you use scoop. One scoop only, less than one scoop. Okay, you more than scoop, it's salty. Alright. Yeah, and a little bit water, not too much. So that's it. So this is the dish called grilled chicken vegetable Thai noodle. Okay, you gonna take a try? Okay, what's this?
Garnish presentation.
Yeah, we put garnish on. Okay?
Voila!
Okay, take a try.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Done, ma'am? You make like this? Done?
Yeah, we done. You can first flip.